Teacher Capricorn. Bawal daw ako magdagdag at magbawas. Sige. Cinemalaya Citation. Full-length feature film. Best sound. For exceptional achievement in sound design. For effectively crafting audible silence to heighten the film's intense emotional weight with every subtle sound and quiet pause. Intimately drawing the audience into the room, amplifying the heartbreak and misery of watching your partner painfully wither away. The award for Best Sound goes to Elian Idioma for Tayo Lang Ang Nakakaalam.
I just wanna say thank you to Direct Dean, my advisor, David Corpus, PhD. I'd like to thank the people in front of me, and of course my classmates in the workshop, very lovely people. I'd also like to thank the whole team of sound behind this film. I think it's very important we give them the recognition that they deserve to, because I'm just one person. And lahat ng pinanabaho nila, ako lang yung mahawak. Hindi naman ako namimeke, pero sobrang daming tao behind me. Andun si ate, si na Kuya Harold, Kuya Jason, Kuya Romic, sina Ann, sina Ate Jaja, sina Nicole, sina Kuya Bien, sina Tristan, sina Joseph. There are so many people in sound. The other people that I grew up with as well in this industry, Sir Alex, Sir Bebet, si Nikolai, who's here too, si Kuya Andrew. There's so many people here, and we're such a small community. And I know that we probably know each other. I just wanna, like, sound. Sabi nga ni, mabilis naman ako, sabi ni Telemachus kay Odysseus nung nandun na sila sa Ithaca, mabuhay ang mamimili ko ng Pilipino.